Number 1. Pavan Muktasana, help in digestion. Number 2. Bhujangasana, reduces belly fat and help in reducing stress. Number 3. Ustrasana, improved spinal flexibility and lungs capacity. Number 4. Dhanurasana, increased flexibility, stronger back and core muscles. Number 5. Vajrasana, improved digestion. Number 6. Paschimottanasana, help in weight management. Number 7. Naukasana, improving digestion. Number 8. Tarasana, improving overall strength and stability. Number 9. Tirchaktarasana, stretch the side of the waist. Number 10. Simhasana, strengthens throat and tongue.